Kardom, pini litum Karbi Anglong digital news from Ben. Abang so mithang sai hemlong chingrum nangkok alam hi abang gila lo. Kedamtang hai kuni niphai hiniani lut man ke do abang phulo KACEM umor sing tiso hin ben isi media atuma phan isi kipu ki chokche lapuson ni tum thailong lo si ladak ni tum press note along ke jong pondo lo dak ni press note puthak sini le lang pon po prangsi ni tum labang so Karbi Anglong digital news forum along ki do a house non dak ni tum kilong ke house retroxy andolo si labang suang bong pen ni tum ki pudunji walam thibang gela lo nili tum dak press no dang bong kesi nili lang pon po dadak nili purhi pon po pini ni phai drop phai kuni surihini ra engkora ke thomani Karbi Anglong digital news forum me thanga sai hemalong Pherangke Amai ke pha nangkok alam thia bangke kedamtang phai kuni ni phai hini arni KACEM omor sing tisu amena sai hem Aboha long Pherangke Amai ke phahut AK news channel along ahokpet abirta kepaklang ajoine ahem pu Agustin Kramsa jungjung aphan criminal pu akoi pipen defamation case ki PG pu ke thera bangke media aphan kilang rem mate freedom of speech aphan ke ber thipji lapen kilang rok ang thek a TV lo Athe media atum pulote mentune ta ahok hi abirta ke rat achataya long paklangte kaita klarda war waisap lapen ahok pet mate ingkrung inside at pensi rat athengno paklangsi media pulote fourth pillar of democracy puke death chari aron constitution of India alu along do alangli KACEM omor sing tisu ahin pen lapuson apoy KPK democracy aron karkan binong ang theglo lason pulote kewang jilang arni anta ahokpet abirta kapacitak ji aphan Pherangke aphan kaphere meme ang theg lapen media claim bang atum kezok wan abedelo anparta media house atum phan an criminal pusi hokpet puma lapen criminal lapen defamation case kipi pensi ther ipuma athe pini ke AK news ahem ku aphansi ke therlo lapen penap ke komat a media house ap phantong ke ther pone penpur me kedamtang arnita Pherangke atuma phan ahokpet abirta ke paklang ajoine ke ther ke hap kilang rop lapusonta media klembang pu tum chetong nanglo lasi laso ateng pulute birta pachetak ta Pherangke atuma phan pheri me lapen kizok van avedelo pinpur dame alangli EM omor sing tisu det kachari aronalo ateng pensi sai claim pon popusi Assam governor athenglo semedeng ponlo lasi laso ateng pulote alangli ke Pherangke atum lapen freedom of speech aphan keraikom nangji alongta R2 dolo sitame non abangge alangli det kachari aronalo aphan panung kuksi Pherangke atum phan criminal pu ke hoke Karbi Anglong digital news forum ahin pen lapuson abang pu aphan pinrem lo lapen ningduk chepaklang lo lasi kewang jilang arni madu ham phang asong lapen ratchari asong sitame lapuson kether ke hap ki pipede ji aphansi Karbi Anglong digital news forum ahin pen chuning rilo asipini nilitum labang so Pherangke Amai mate laso list long nilitum ki pacheta galalo the kedamtang ports tame litum phan ke kher ke hap penang atun dolo anparda ke thengji an ans tame dolo asila laso tengle langdam pulote media tum phan ke freedom avedelo sila puson mofi stame kavedeji phansi nilihin mate mai po hin pen EM omor sing tiso phan chuning rilo lapen R2 kedo atuma phan pachini ji aphan ke mo elitama a General Secretary do forum a General Secretary alangli phanle kapachini apor bangke pe kontrol nang non ke ako puthot alangli longpen ilitun arju konsina
Kero paper pilo itong Karbi Anglong digital list for Amai propan kaningji punangji laman bangke itu Amai propan pasti ikat lo wajib setame nili pandame aku doi kolo posi nampek ponigalo posi ni guys sonsoni alam nali tu mathen lo dijai pon kangtung lo puen lo nak kacet her kachap culture bang itu inton nangko ili chudiri labang jadi kai bill buda gali jat ili ili chudiri request kacit hari kachap culture bang itu abang pawina ko nali tum khang kam chiklem mo lape nili tum setame nili tum khang kam chiklem lape nili putu ji lalo don't shoot the messenger nili tum hok upima lasi nali tum noban ko junu dakta hai और जुमे संता है कि हो कि फिक होता है सितमे आहok kupima la sola mangeni tumke nali tumang paklang ko we eat anybody itu la specific council ban ke jong dam pulang kali pa itu je em hangi jong dam kali as a general alam sili dam lo nili tum kupima ke feklong la mangeni tum paklang ko la penili tum han la ke arai pang kidalo la so kapaklang ji ban sili tum la bang suasai ang deng bondo Lase hut pena bangke ili tu mangbong ning coy palak paluk do dai mene. Lason news alang li tu mani ke hang tek pen paklang kon peda lo di ning ke oi ning ke bu lason do bokai ni. Sitame kace pakeng seroy ahong lam do. Dili tu phan bine ke chok che nang theklong plo dili tu manang pu de chok. Sitame ke ther pen bang ke le tanji. Ni ning chuni ni kan kon la. Lasi aku rujulet laptop don't shoot the messenger. Nili tumta nangli tumasana taksi rara sign asai sini tumta me kemcho. Lasi nili tumda jong si aron pen jong si boundary pen jong sini tum kap tum nili tum anang pakai ini. Lasi puji. Lasana taksi Ingraji pen satame nili tum labang so puthat. Press note ke salam bondo nili 40.3 Karbi Anglong Digital News Forum stands for press freedom and journalistic integrity. Karbi Anglong Digital News Forum strongly condemns the recent actions of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Executive Member Amar Singh Tisu, who on the 2nd of November called a press pit at his official residence to condemn AK News owner Augustine Kramsa for publishing a news piece regarding alleged anomalies within his department. The executive members' labeling of Augustine Kramsa as a criminal and the subsequent threat to file defamation and criminal cases against him is not only an attack on press freedom but also a blatant misuse of his stature and power. The media's primary duty is to raise questions and uphold the truth without fear or favor. It is imperative that those in positions of power understand the significance of a free press and refrain from resorting to pressure tactics to intimidate or harass media organizations, regardless of their stance. The freedom of the press is a sacrosanct principle enshrined in the Constitution, recognized as the fourth pillar of democracy. E.M. Tisu, who took an oath in the name of the Constitution before the Governor of Assam, is duty-bound to protect and safeguard the unbiased reporting of media, fostering an environment where journalists can perform their duties without fear or reprisal. Therefore, his recent statements labeling a media house owner as a criminal solely for carrying out his professional responsibilities are deeply concerning and contradictory to the values of a democratic society. KADNF would like to raise these pertinent questions of whether similar coercive any media personnel. Such actions not only undermine the credibility of the office he holds, but also a dangerous precedent